Welcome back sa mga audiences at loyal subscribers natin, at nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong vlog portion ng ating pinakabagong Mirage G4 2022, or the ever-known fuel-efficient compact car. Kung maalala nyo, sa tinagal na din na panahon bago nagkaroon ng bagong look o design ng Mitsubishi sa sedan nila, dumaan ito ng maraming concept sa mga car designers natin. Plano nga na gawin ng Mitsubishi ang ipareho sila sa mga future face-off cars pagkatapos pamatok dati ang Lancer Evo at ginaya ang mga mukha pareho sa AUX at ilang sedan nila. At ngayon naman, ano ang mga key features na meron ang pinabago natin Mitsubishi Mirage? Meron itong mga issues na binigyan ng pansin sa mga previous version ng unit nila, at kaya naman ay binigyan ito ng new at fresh look kasama na ang mga features katulad ng first is the electronic brake force distribution or the EBD. Next is the new advanced smartphone link display audio or SDA 7-inch, that is a touchscreen with tuner and Bluetooth and a USB port compatible with Apple CarPlay, that will be compatible most of the smartphone. And of course, there is this Android Auto that has a 15-inch alloy wheel and this eco lamp with a keyless operation system or the engine push start. Additional feature that is a must for a vehicle is the anti-lock braking system or commonly known ABS. Anti-lock braking system on GLS variants. The anti-lock braking system or the ABS ensures that the car remains responsive to your control whenever you are braking. Together with the electronic brake force distribution or EBD, these systems work together to prevent tires from locking up and avoid collision during sudden braking on wet roads and other conditions. So here are the types of variants the new Mitsubishi Mirage has. Together with the variants are their transmission types that may suit your drive, kung kaya, mas magandang makita nyo sa actual ang mga features ng bawat variants para maging komportable tayo sa car experience and interface. Una rito ay ang Mirage G4 GLS, na ang transmission na available nito ay ang CVT Invecs-III or Continuous Variable Transmission at maganda sa pang city and loud drive. Kung gusto nyo makita ang unang vlog ko, just visit the vlog post just above this video. Ang variant na ito, ay ikinokonsidera na top-of-the-line variant. Ang susunod naman nating variant ay ang Mirage G4 GLX Manual Transmission. Meron itong key features na smartphone link display audio o SDA 7-inch touchscreen with tuner, Bluetooth and USB port. At compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na may 15-inch alloy wheel at eco lamp. Ang isa namang unit natin ay pareho sa naunang variant ng GLX pero nasa mid-range ang spec sheet nito dahil sa transmission or default tranny gears na ginagamit nito which is the Invecs-III. The rest of the key features are just the same with the previous variant. What's an Invecs-III? The third version of Invecs was further advanced and now offered a continuously variable transmission when in fully automatic mode, or a simulated 6-speed clutchless manual if the driver wished to control the up and down shift points. A further innovation for Mitsubishi was the introduction of paddle shifters allowing the driver to make manual gear changes while their hands remain on the steering wheel. Invecs-III was introduced in 2000 in the 8th generation of the Mitsubishi Lancer. The paddle shift option was first seen on the 2nd generation Mitsubishi Outlander which debuted in 2005. Overall, on the G4 space of Mitsubishi Mirage interior design, makes it quite fancy yet simple. It is convenient at your fingertips. The new Mirage G4 comes equipped with steering wheel audio controls and voice command with hands-free function, works with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The GLS variant has the engine push-start rendering mechanism that triggers the power and engine from the time you push the start button together with the brake pedal. The Mirage G4's engine push-start system allows for easier start-up and shutdown of the engine.
The Mitsubishi Mirage G4 now uses the clutchless air compressor, which is a well-known brand when it comes to car air conditioning system. This means that customers and passengers can enjoy a cooler breeze inside the cabin for a more comfortable ride. Howdy, before we forget, other than this, Mitsubishi was awarded for the 2017 to 2020 safety car. They have embedded a safety features and designed a car with a sturdy metal chassis. Mitsubishi really tried its best to attain its market at high compensated rank against its other giant competitors, found their way to compete and made it to the top of the best cars from different categories. Engaging with their robust look, here is a new Forge engine that will be efficient enough for your journey within the city and outside tour. For now, that is all that I can review. Test drive and other observation might come when we literally begin driving in it in the road. I hope you at least enjoyed this vlog and learned some new key features and different variants that will help you decide what to bring next. By the way, please remember that we will do the actual test drive for our own user experience that I can at least impart with you. Thanks for watching. And please do like, share and subscribe by hitting those buttons below the video.